My name is Terrence, and I'm a novelist trapped in a story written by my cat Twitters. Why, you may ask, do I love the fruit? Well, it all started at a farmer's market just outside of Poughkeepsie. A woman named Penelope worked there. She was quiet and beautiful, like a stand of willows. No one noticed her except for me. And one other. Dog. A local tough of few words and even fewer friends. He was smitten with her, but he couldn't speak. He was too shy. So he would come every week to the farmer's market and just watch her. I watched him watch her. What was it that he wanted to say to her but couldn't? What were these beautiful thoughts? I wanted to capture them and put them in my next novel. Then I came up with an idea. I followed him home one day to find out where he lived. Then I sent him a letter from her.
I've noticed you're at the farmer's market. I hope you don't think me too forward. I wanted to write to you to tell you that I like you.
3 weeks passed, and he wrote back.
You're as beautiful and quiet as a stand of willows.
We began a correspondence. Literally hundreds of letters were exchanged.
My friends called me Dog.
My name's Penelope.
In truth, I didn't know what her name was. I made it up.
Penelope, that's a beautiful name.
I think I'm falling for you.
I fell for you long ago.
He was falling in love with a woman who didn't exist. It was perfect! Here was this real girl who had no idea what was going on, and then this man who was far too shy to ever say anything to her. I put all of their correspondence into my newest novel, The Tobacconist. It made me famous. After the novel came out, I stopped writing him letters. And that's where everything began to go horribly wrong. His heaven became a hell, and he pulled everyone around him into it. Dog found out about my novel, and then he did a terrible thing.
This girl wasn't real. At least, the girl I loved wasn't. So, I took the letters she sent me, and I buried them. But being a dog, I dug them up again. I would dig them up every evening, bury them every morning, until there was nothing left but dust. And now, I carry that dust with me in this little pouch.
Except that's not what happened.
Did you bring the key to Terrence's house? You're finally gonna pay for what you did.
Me? I just killed an imaginary girl that you loved. You killed a real one who didn't.
What are you talking about?
You didn't bury and dig up letters. You buried and dug up her.
That's a lie.
That's not paper in that pouch. It's bone.
I wouldn't. I couldn't.
You know, pomegranate seeds are what kept Persephone in hell. Sometimes eating fruit isn't good for you. I'm going in after her. Wanna come along?